Here's the latest update on two powerful storms forming in the Atlantic, Tropical Storm Imelda and Hurricane Humberto, and how their paths could shape the coming days. But here's where it gets controversial. Will these storms collide, or will they drift apart? Let's break it down. Tropical Storm Imelda has been hammering the Caribbean with relentless rain, joining Hurricane Humberto as the second named storm in the Atlantic. Humberto, now a Category 4 hurricane, is far out at sea, but its swells are expected to create life-threatening surf and rip currents along the U.S. East Coast starting Monday. Meanwhile, Imelda is closer to the islands, and its interaction with Humberto, a phenomenon called the Fujiwhara effect, could determine their fates. The Fujiwhara effect happens when two storms orbit each other, sometimes merging or spinning apart. Think of it like a sponge absorbing water. If they're close enough, they might influence each other's strength or direction. Forecasters say this could happen this weekend, but there's still uncertainty about how it'll play out. If they stay far apart, they'll likely move away from the U.S. But if they get too close, one might steal energy from the other, like Hurricane Laura did to Hurricane Marco in 2020. For now, Imelda is still a tropical storm, but it's expected to strengthen rapidly. By late Monday, it could become a hurricane, bringing dangerous rainfall to the Bahamas, Cuba, and parts of Florida. Meanwhile, Humberto has intensified quickly, growing from a Category 1 to a Category 5 in just 24 hours, a rare example of rapid intensification. This trend is linked to warmer ocean temperatures, which are tied to El Niño and climate change. Local authorities are already on alert. Mandatory evacuations have been issued in parts of the Bahamas, and shelters are open. Rainfall could reach up to a foot in some areas, risking flash flooding and mudslides. In the U.S., coastal regions face threats from storm surges, even if the storms drift away from the mainland. States like South Carolina and North Carolina have declared emergencies, preparing for the worst. What's clear is that these storms are part of a larger pattern. Climate scientists warn that rising ocean temperatures are making hurricanes more intense and unpredictable. As we watch Imelda and Humberto evolve, one thing is certain. The Atlantic isn't just a place for storms. It's a reminder of how deeply weather is tied to our planet's changing climate. So, what do you think? Will these storms collide, or will they keep moving apart? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because the story of Imelda and Humberto is just beginning.